Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel, and full AOD watch faces are really beautiful to watch. And in the Amazfit Gtr 2 you will be getting a lot of full AOD watch faces. So full AOD watch faces are the full always on display watch faces which you can set on your watch, and these watch faces will be always on in the watch even after the screen goes off, because if you set the always on display on, you will be able to view these watch faces always on the watch. So we will discuss about some of the best looking full AOD watch faces for the Amazfit Gtr 2, and we will see the functions, how they look, and the features, and how to set these watch faces on this watch. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to shares, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, Amazfit Gtr 2 has been a great watch, and it has a lot of customization options, including above 200 plus watch faces which you can download for this watch. And some of the watch faces looks beautiful, and when it comes to full AOD, it just literally changes the game how these watch faces look on this watch. So to turn on the full always on display or the AOD for all time, you just need to go to the menu of the watch, and there you need to go to the settings, and once you are in the settings, you will get display and brightness option. In here you will get the always on display, and in the always on display, make sure you have set the enable status as always on, because if you want to get the full AOD and keep it always on, you have to set it always on. Otherwise, to save battery, you can also set it as smart. When you will be not wearing the watch, the always on display will be automatically turned off. And in the watch face style, make sure you are selecting the follow the watch face option, so that you will be able to use the always on display all the time on this watch. And also make sure you have connected your Amazfit Gtr 2 with this app, which is the official app for your Amazfit watches. And once it is connected, you will be getting the battery symbol at the top of this app. And also you have to download another app, which is the Amazfit app. So Amazfit app is the app from where we will download the watch faces. Make sure you have selected the Amazfit Gtr 2 from here. Also, while downloading the watch face, you need to set the MAC address in here, and the MAC address you will be getting from the settings of the watch. In the above section, you will get this Bluetooth MAC which you have to put and download this watch faces from the Amazfit app. So the first watch face on the list is the Battle Wolf watch face, which looks absolutely beautiful on the AMOLED display of Amazfit Gtr 2. The colors pop up, and you can see it has this green color accent and a black color accent on this watch face. It shows a lot of information like the steps, the power, and you will be also seeing the Bluetooth connection icon, the alarm icon, and the do not disturb icons. And here it shows you the heart rate, this is the month, and also the date and the day. So it looks really beautiful, and you can download this watch face from the Amazfit app itself. It comes with the name of Battle Wolf, and this watch face comes with two variants, and the watch face has a full AOD also. So let's see how the full AOD looks. The full AOD looks really good. You can see the watch face just dimmed out, and it will show all the information as per the watch face itself. So the next watch face on the list is the AVI 8 watch face, and this watch face also looks beautiful on the Amazfit Gtr 2. You can see some of the functions which are there, like the step count, the power, and also here you will see the heart rate function. So it has this aviation look to it, like this space look, and you can see that's why the name is AV8. So this watch face also comes with a beautiful always on display. Let's see how the always on display looks. So the always on display also looks really good. Only the second hand will not be shown in the watch face. Other than that, the full watch face will be there for this watch. And you can download this from the Amazfit app itself. Comes with the name of AV8 and looks really beautiful on this watch. So the next watch face on the list is the AccuRacer watch face, which has also a full always on display, which looks absolutely amazing on this Amazfit Gtr 2. You can see that it comes in this black background, and the green color also pops up in the AMOLED display. Shows a lot of information here, like the weather, and also the step count, the heart rate, and the month. and also the time in this digital format. So a really good looking watch face, and the always on display is also a full AOD in this watch face. So you can see the always on display will show you all the information up there, and this watch face also you can download from the Amazfit app itself. So the watch face name is Aquaration Analog, and you can see the watch face looks really great on the Amazfit Gtr 2e, and it has the full AOD in it. So next watch face on the list is the Hublot King Power watch face, and this watch face also looks really good on the Amazfit Gtr 2e. It is a racing style watch face, and you can see the F1 logo in there. So really looks good because of the black and red colors used into it, and it has a lot of information to show also. So it shows you the battery percentage, the step count, and the heart rate data, and you can see the Hublot branding on there also. So it comes with a beautiful always on display. The always on display is a full always on display, and this watch face is also available in the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of Hublot King Power F1 black watch face, and it has another variant also. So another variant of the watch face is also looking good, and it comes with a gold color in it. So you can see the gold and black color also looks good on this Amazfit Gtr 2. You can download any one of them from the Amazfit app itself. So next watch face on the list with full AOD is also a black and red accent watch face, and this watch face has a lot of information to display, probably the most informative watch face you will be getting for Amazfit Gtr 2e, and also it looks really good. So it shows you every bit of information like the distance, the date and the day, and the calories burned, the step count, the weather information, the time in this digital format, and also this is the heart rate information and the battery information, and also the step count in this red counters. So it looks really good, and probably one of the best looking watch face you can get for Amazfit Gtr 2e. Also comes with a full AOD, and the AOD also looks really good. You can see the AOD has all the information to display in here. So definitely a wonderful watch face to download, and you can get this from the Amazfit app itself. Comes with the name of Wesley Santos WS Gtr 24 hour, and definitely I will recommend you to download this for your Amazfit Gtr 2e, a beautiful watch face with a full AOD for this watch. So next watch face on the list is a very popular watch face, and this watch face also looks really good on the Amazfit Gtr 2e. Comes with a full AOD and shows a lot of information like the weather, the kilometer travel, the date, day and the month, and also the heart rate information and the battery information also. So here you will see the distance or the step count you can say, and this watch face also looks really good because of the orange stripe and the color used in this watch face. And the full always on display, let's check it on this watch. So the full always on display also looks good. You can see the second hand will not be shown in the always on displays, and this watch face you can download from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of Trafford Touring Pro AOD EN packed. So this is one of the most beautiful looking watch face you can get with the full AOD in there for Amazfit Gtr 2e. So another beautiful looking watch face for the Amazfit Gtr 2e, and this time this is a digital watch face, and the watch face looks really beautiful on the Amazfit Gtr 2e, and you can see it is in this black and orange color. So it displays you the time in here, and also the step count, the battery information along with the date, day and the month, and the kilocalories burned. So every bit of information it is displaying here, and this is the battery percentage, the power that is there in this watch. So beautiful looking watch face, and the full AOD in this watch face also looks really good. You can see the full AOD will be always on, and the second counter will not be there in this watch face. So this watch face also you can download from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of Neo Mod RU Gtr 2, one of the beautiful looking digital watch faces you can get for the Amazfit Gtr 2e. So next watch face on the list is the Tag Heuer Canada watch face. So this watch face also looks really good, and it comes with an always on display, which is a full always on display. So it shows you the date in here, and also it shows the battery information, the heart rate information and step count information in this watch face. And the always on display, it looks beautiful on the watch. So the always on display is the same as the watch face, and with the gold, black and the red colors, this watch face really looks good. So definitely you can download this from the Amazfit app. Also comes with the name of TH Carrera 01 AOD 58823. So this is one of the most beautiful looking watch face also for the Amazfit Gtr 2E. So that's it guys, these are few of the full always on display watch faces you can get for this Amazfit Gtr 2E. I cannot cover all the watch faces, so I will be making more videos on this topic in the coming videos, and to watch them definitely subscribe and like this video. That's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.